KonaCloudForest, guided walking tours. The only cloud forest in the United States. A 3-hour walk through one of the most magical places on Earth. If you love nature, this is the place. Rated the #1 nature tour by TripAdvisor on the island of Hawaii. Your tour guide, CEO and President Kelly Dunn, is world-renowned for his conservation work and photography. All tours are by phone appointment only. Call today, 808-640-3888. All tours are presented by the Painted Trees of Hawaii Foundation, a 509(2)A educational nonprofit in cooperation with the Bezona Land Trust. Mahalo.